to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leanne Anderson. Yes, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this makeup look. It's a very simple makeup look you can do. I was so inspired by my African attire. Yes. So let's get into the video and let me show you how I did this makeup look. So I had just completed doing my eyebrows and I was going for a natural eyebrow look, and my eyebrows are looking on fleek, and I'm gonna go in and do my eyelids and apply some eyeshadow. So I'm going in with this dark brown ish, maroonish, eyeshadow color, and I'm applying it at the ends of my crease. I'm really trying to do colors that will complement my African attire. I really want to look on fleek and look good and also look natural. I don't want my makeup look to look a little dramatic, so I'm just applying some on the ends of my eyelids. Once I'm done applying this eyeshadow, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go into my glitter eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the gold color eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on the beginnings of my eyelid. Now I'm using the same brush because I really want the colors to blend well together. I'm really trying to complement my African attire. Next, I'm going in with my Revlon Ultra Volume mascara, and I really love this mascara. It really makes my own eyelashes just pop out. Today I'm not going to put my eyelashes. I just feel like it's going to make the look a little more dramatic. I'm going for a more natural look, so I'm applying my mascara on my top and bottom eyelash. Next, I'm going in with my ADS Mesmerizing eyeliner gel, and I'm using the black eyeliner gel, and I'm going to draw eyeliner, do my eyeliner on my eyelids. I know I haven't been doing eyeliner for a while, so I decided to do this just to kind of complement and make me look more awake. Next, I'm going in with my Just Be Gorgeous foundation. Yes, my color is the black walnut. Yes, that's my color. So I'm going to apply this foundation on my skin, and I'm firstly putting it on my hand, and then once I'm done, I'm going to take my brush and apply it all over my face. Now, I know I always preach about this foundation, guys. This foundation is amazing. I just feel like it just soothes out of my skin well. And if you guys want to know how I do my flawless foundation routine, you can check that video out. Next, I'm going in with my cover stick, Essence cover stick, and I really like to use this kind of to contour my nose and to go under my eyes as well, because it just makes it helps to shape your eyeshadow and just make the foundation look more good. If you guys want to really know how I do my flawless foundation routine, I just did a video of that. You can check it out. It's called my flawless foundation routine, and you can check that out. So now I'm just blending out the cover stick out on my skin and making sure that everything is blended well using my beauty blender. I'm going in with this Palladio rice powder, and I love this rice powder. I carry it everywhere I go because my skin gets oily during the day when I have makeup on. So this rice powder really helps to kind of mattify, and I'm really trying to make sure I apply enough, especially I'm applying it more on the places that I apply the cover stick, and just making sure that I blend and go in the areas where I get very oily. Next, I'm just putting on some brown lipstick. I would have shown you the name of the brand, but this lipstick is old and I don't even have the lid of the lipstick, so I was like, you know what, you guys can just apply some brown lipstick. Next, I'm going in with my ADS eyeliner gel, and this one is the brown eyeliner gel, and I really love this eyeliner gel. And I'm just applying it on my lips just to give my lips a nice ombre look, and that is the type of look I'm actually trying to go for. And I also want my lips to look a little glossy, so I am applying that, making sure that I apply enough of the eyeliner gel to just kind of make it look like an ombre look. Next, I'm going in with this Nick K lip gloss. It's an orange lip gloss and it's a very shiny, and I really like this lip gloss. I'm kind of obsessed with it, but it's really amazing. And I'm applying some of it on my lips just to give me, that nice touch. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see y'all in the next video.